Elevating your fitness journey, crafting a balanced approach to cardio and strength training for optimal results. Welcome, fitness enthusiasts, to a transformative exploration of the dynamic world of cardio and strength training. If you find yourself on the fence trying to decide between these two fitness powerhouses, fret not. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve deep into the nuances of cardio and strength training, offering practical strategies, real-world examples, and an array of helpful tips to help you make informed choices and chart a path toward a healthier, stronger you. But first, hit that subscribe button now and kickstart your path to a vibrant, energetic, and balanced lifestyle. Exploring cardio. Cardiovascular exercise, often referred to simply as cardio, forms the cornerstone of any comprehensive fitness regimen. Its benefits extend far beyond calorie burning, encompassing improvements in cardiovascular health, endurance, and mood. Engaging in regular cardio activities, whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or dancing, can elevate your overall well-being. Benefits of cardio. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Cardio workouts stimulate the heart and lungs, enhancing circulation and boosting heart health. Incorporating activities like brisk walking or jogging into your routine can strengthen your heart muscle and lower your risk of cardiovascular diseases. 2. Increased endurance. Regular cardio training enhances your body's ability to efficiently utilize oxygen, thereby increasing your stamina and endurance levels. Whether you're scaling a mountain trail or completing a high-intensity spin class, these exercises build resilience and improve your performance in various physical activities. 3. Calorie burn. Cardio workouts are renowned for their calorie-burning potential, making them a popular choice for individuals seeking weight management or fat loss. Engaging in activities such as HIIT, high-intensity interval training, or steady-state cardio sessions can aid in burning excess calories and shedding unwanted pounds. 4. Mood enhancement. The release of endorphins, commonly known as feel-good hormones, during cardio workouts can uplift your mood, reduce stress, and combat symptoms of anxiety and depression. The sense of accomplishment post-exercise contributes to a positive outlook on life. 5. Versatility. From low-impact options like swimming to high-intensity choices like sprinting, the diverse range of cardio activities allows you to tailor your workouts to match your preferences, fitness level, and goals. Real-life example. Meet Sarah, a fitness enthusiast who used to solely focus on strength training to sculpt her physique. While she built muscle and strength, she felt her cardiovascular endurance was lacking. By adding regular sessions of cycling and kickboxing to her routine, Sarah noticed significant improvements in her overall fitness, energy levels, and mental well-being. Practical tips for effective cardio workouts. 1. Set clear goals. Define your cardio objectives, whether it's to improve your endurance, boost your mood, or burn calories. Setting specific measurable goals will help you stay motivated and track your progress over time. 2. Mix it up. Variety is key to preventing boredom and challenging different muscle groups. Incorporate a mix of cardio activities such as running, rowing, dancing, or hiking to keep your workouts interesting and engaging. 3. Consistency is key. Aim for regularity in your cardio routine. Whether you opt for daily walk sessions, 3 weekly cycling classes, or weekend hikes, consistent effort yields lasting results. 4. Monitor intensity. Adjust the intensity of your cardio workouts based on your fitness level and goals. High-intensity intervals can enhance calorie burn and fitness gains, while moderate-intensity steady-state sessions promote endurance and fat utilization. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to cardio exercises. Gradually increase intensity and duration, giving yourself ample time to recover and recharge between workouts. Unpacking strength training. Strength training, also known as resistance training, focuses on building muscle strength, endurance, and size. Whether you're lifting weights at the gym, practicing bodyweight exercises at home, or incorporating resistance bands into your routine, strength training plays a vital role in sculpting your physique, improving bone density, and boosting metabolism. Benefits of strength training. 1. Increased muscle mass. Strength training promotes muscle hypertrophy, leading to gains in muscle size, strength, and definition. Regular resistance exercises like squats, deadlifts, and overhead presses stimulate muscle growth and enhance your physical appearance. 2. Enhanced metabolism. Muscles are metabolically active tissues that require energy even at rest. By increasing your muscle mass through strength training, you can elevate your basal metabolic rate, BMR, and burn more calories throughout the day, aiding in weight management and fat loss. 3. Bone health. Weight-bearing exercises, a cornerstone of strength training, help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Activities like weightlifting, bodyweight squats, and resistance band workouts strengthen bones and joints, promoting long-term skeletal health. 4. Improved posture and stability. Strengthening the muscles of the core, back, and legs through resistance exercises enhances postural alignment, stability, and balance. A strong, stable foundation supports proper biomechanics and reduces the risk of injuries during daily activities. 5. Functional fitness. Strength training exercises mimic real-life movements and help improve functional fitness, enabling you to perform daily tasks with ease and efficiency. Whether you're lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or playing sports, a robust musculoskeletal system enhances your physical capabilities and quality of life. Real-life example. Enter Mark, a fitness enthusiast with a background in cardio-intensive workouts like running and cycling. Seeking to diversify his training routine and build strength, he embraced a structured weightlifting program focusing on compound exercises. Over time, Mark experienced significant gains in muscle mass, strength, and overall performance, complementing his existing cardio regimen and enhancing his fitness journey. Practical tips for effective strength training. 1. Prioritize technique. Focus on mastering proper form and technique for each strength exercise to ensure optimal muscle recruitment and injury prevention. Start with lighter weights to establish a strong foundation before progressing to heavier loads. 2. Progressive overload. To stimulate muscle growth and strength gains, gradually increase the resistance, volume, or intensity of your workouts over time. Progressive overload challenges your muscles, prompting adaptation and growth. 3. Incorporate compound movements. Compound exercises target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, promoting functional strength and efficient muscle development. Include movements like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows for comprehensive muscle engagement. 4. Mind-muscle connection. Develop a strong mind-muscle connection during strength training, focusing on the contraction and engagement of the target muscles. Squeeze and engage the muscles throughout each repetition to maximize effectiveness. 5. Allow for recovery. Adequate rest and recovery are essential for muscle repair and growth. Schedule rest days between intense strength training sessions. Prioritize sleep and nutrition, and listen to your body's signals to prevent overtraining. Choosing your fitness path. As you navigate the diverse landscapes of cardio and strength training, one key question emerges. How can you tailor your workout regimen to align with your goals, preferences, and lifestyle? The answer lies in crafting a balanced approach that integrates elements of both modalities, allowing you to reap the unique benefits of each while promoting overall fitness and well-being. Balancing cardio and strength training. 1. Define your goals. Start by clarifying your fitness objectives, whether it's increasing muscle mass, improving cardiovascular health, enhancing endurance, or achieving a balance between strength and aerobic fitness. Understanding your priorities will guide you in crafting a personalized workout plan. 2. Assess your current fitness level. Consider your current fitness level, previous exercise experience, any injuries or limitations, and how much time you can dedicate to training. Tailor your cardio and strength workouts to suit your individual needs and capabilities. 3. Design a structured plan. Develop a structured training plan that integrates both cardio and strength training components. Determine how many days per week you will dedicate to each type of exercise, how long each session will last, and what specific activities you will include. 4. Mix up your routine. Incorporate a variety of cardio modalities and strength exercises into your weekly routine to prevent plateaus. Target different muscle groups and keep your workouts engaging. Alternate between high-intensity cardio sessions and strength-focused workouts for a well-rounded approach. 5. Prioritize recovery. Allow for adequate rest and recovery between workouts to prevent overtraining and support muscle repair and growth. Listen to your body. Incorporate active recovery techniques like stretching or yoga, and prioritize sleep and nutrition for optimal recovery. 6. Track your progress. Monitor your progress over time by tracking key metrics such as weight lifted, distance covered, endurance improvements, and changes in body composition. Keep a workout journal or use fitness apps to stay accountable and motivated on your fitness journey. Real-life application. Let's revisit Jane and Josh, our fitness enthusiasts, on their transformative fitness journeys. Jane, who initially focused on cardio workouts, decided to integrate strength training into her routine to enhance muscle tone and overall strength. By incorporating resistance exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups, Jane noticed improvements in her muscular definition and functional fitness, complementing her cardio achievements. On the other hand, Josh, who immersed himself in strength training, recognized the value of cardiovascular conditioning for his overall fitness. While maintaining his weightlifting routine, he added interval training sessions and cycling workouts to his schedule to boost his cardiovascular endurance and calorie burn. This fusion of cardio and strength training allowed Josh to achieve a well-rounded fitness profile, balancing strength gains with enhanced cardiovascular fitness. By blending the best of both worlds, cardio and strength training, Jane and Josh unlocked the full potential of their fitness journeys, reaping the benefits of improved strength, endurance, muscle tone, and overall well-being. In conclusion, the symbiotic relationship between cardio and strength training forms the foundation of a holistic fitness regimen. By striking a balance between these two modalities, you can sculpt a physique that is both strong and resilient, enhance your cardiovascular health, boost your metabolism, and elevate your overall quality of life. Embrace the diversity of cardio activities and strength exercises. Tailor your workouts to align with your goals, and embark on a fitness journey that combines the power of endurance and strength for transformative results. Are you ready to elevate your fitness journey and experience the transformative benefits of a balanced approach to cardio and strength training? Let's embark on this empowering journey together, harnessing the synergy of cardio and strength to unlock your full potential and achieve lasting fitness success. Hit that subscribe button now and kickstart your path to a vibrant, energetic, and balanced lifestyle.